Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create bar chart in Excel from table. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data, category and amount. So to create bar chart, I'm going to convert this data in table. Just simply select the data, drag with the mouse and select here the entire data. Then press the shortcut key Ctrl T to convert this data in table. Here you can see the one dialog box is open, create table. Range here automatically selected. After that, just click on OK, and here you see your data is converted in table. Okay. With table design tab also here added. If you want to change the design, you can change here. So I select this one. Okay. After that, I'm going to create a bar chart from table. Simply select the data and go to the insert tab. In charts group, select here the bar chart. Just click on this drop down arrow, the first option, and here the 2D column chart, 3D column chart, then 2D bar chart and 3D bar chart. Okay. So I select here the 2D first bar chart. Okay. And here you can see the chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. And if you want to change the chart style, just go to the chart design. In chart style, just click on this drop down arrow and keep cursor on the any chart style. You can see here the preview of the chart style. Okay. Select the chart style, and that's it. Here you can see the chart style is changed. If you want to remove this chart title, go to the chart design. In chart layout, just click on the first option, add chart element, and then click on the chart title and click on the none, and that's it. Here you can see the chart title is removed. If you want to change the layout, just go to the chart design. In chart layout group, click on the second option, the cube layout. Just click on the drop down and just keep cursor on it and see the layout. It changes in bar chart. See the changes? Just select it those you want. So I just click on it, and here you can see the layout is changed. Okay. And if you want to change the chart type, go to the chart design. In type group, click on the change chart type. And here you can see the change chart type dialog box is open. Here in the bar chart, you can select the different option, and you can check here the preview of the charts. I select here the second one and the third one. See the changes over here? The bar chart is changed accordingly. Okay. If you want to change any other chart, you can change the chart types also. So here I select the different bar chart. Okay. And after that, just click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see your bar chart is changed. Okay. So this is a way you can use the chart design option to design your chart, and you can create your bar chart from the table. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.